Find a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Slowly exhale, allowing your body to settle into a state of ease. Notice any areas of tension and let them soften with each breath. Shift your attention to your breath. Feel the cool air as you inhale and the warm air as you exhale. Let your breath become a steady, calming rhythm. With each breath, allow your mind to become quieter. Visualize yourself standing in a peaceful forest. Feel the earth beneath your feet, solid and supportive. Imagine roots growing from the soles of your feet, extending deep into the ground. Inhale the stability and grounding energy from the earth. Exhale any anxiety or scattered thoughts. Bring your awareness to your breathing space, the area around your nostrils, chest, and abdomen. As you inhale, notice the expansion. As you exhale, feel the release. With each breath, let go of a little more tension. Allow yourself to release more overthinking. Now, imagine each of your thoughts as a cloud in the sky. Watch these clouds pass by without judgment. Simply observe them. Each thought is just a cloud drifting by. With each exhale, let a cloud drift away. Allow the sky of your mind to become clearer and more serene. Gently shift your focus to the present moment. Notice the sensations in your body, the sound of your breath, and the feeling of the air on your skin. Let go of any worries about the past or future. Here and now, you are safe and calm. Imagine a gentle stream flowing through a tranquil landscape. Each drop of water represents a thought. Watch the stream carry these thoughts away effortlessly. Feel the serenity and clarity as your mind becomes a calm, reflective surface. Allow all these energies to flow through your entire body. Visualize a wave of calm and peace washing over you, soothing every part of your being. Imagine a golden light surrounding your entire body. This light nurtures and protects you, calming your mind. Take a few more deep breaths, absorbing this nurturing energy. Gradually, bring your awareness back to the present moment. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Stretch if it feels good, and open your eyes when you are ready.